What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we will be building the Lego Creator Off-Road Dune Buggy. This is a 3-in-1 set. I will be building the main feature here, the actual Dune Buggy itself, not one of the slightly different iterations of it. I like the main one, so we're going to get that one built today. So let's go ahead and get it built. Alright, and here's our finished Dune Buggy. Nice little car. Movable wheels. But overall, cool set. If you guys like that video, make sure you like and subscribe for more content. We post every other day here, and I'll see you guys on the next build.